Okay, so let's look at paper. Paper. So, sheet of a material often made of tree pulp, used for things like writing, drawing, and wrapping. So, paper. Paper. Used in writing. Paper. Paper. This is a large piece of paper. This is paper used for books. This is paper used for books. Yeah. How cool is that? Why do you need so many pieces of paper? Yeah. These papers are cream color. Cream color. Yeah, cream, not white. Not white, but cream. Yeah. So it depends on the book. Depends on the product. So we have paper, one, so singular, and papers, so 2 plus, plural. These papers are clean. These papers are clean. This piece of paper is old. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? This paper is white, and those papers are green, for example. White and green. How cool is that? So that is the oldest piece of paper here. Oldest piece of paper. This is a new piece of paper. This paper is very strong and can endure, very strong, and can endure a lot of pressure. Pressure to pull or to twist or bend. And are you reading the paper, as in the newspaper? Are you reading that piece of paper? Are you using that scrap paper? How are you going to use that piece of paper? How are you going to use that piece of paper? Yeah. I'm using this paper as a teaching prop. I'm using this paper as a teaching prop because this is new paper and quite clean. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Very good. And then we have, say, tomorrow there will be more paper. I will get more paper soon. Yeah, we need more paper for the printer. All this paper is cheap. Yeah, it does not cost much. Yeah, this paper is cheap. Does not cost much. How cool is that? How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah, so paper. Sheets of material used for writing, drawing, or wrapping. 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 How cool is that? So yeah, paper. Now, can you write paper in a sentence? So write it in the comments below. And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. So follow me and subscribe to me on YouTube. Like me on Facebook and follow me on Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.